Like a home, a biopharm manufacturing facility needs utilities to run. So you can think of power, water, and gas. It's just that for biopharm facilities, it's on a much larger scale. So, what do I mean by utilities at scale for biopharm? Let's get into it. Steam. So, steam has multiple uses at a biopharm facility. It is used for sterilization activities such as SIP, steaming in place. It is also used to warm up bioreactors by sending steam to the jacket that surrounds the shell of the bioreactor. Now, this is true whether it's a traditional stainless steel bioreactor or a single use bioreactor. You still need to warm up the contents inside. To cool down a bioreactor, another utility called cooling water is used. Cooling water is water that has been sent to a cooling tower or some other heat exchanger to remove any heat in that water. Another cooling medium that can be used is glycol. This is typically used, however, for sub zero cooling. Process air. Now, that's when you take ambient air and filter it out to remove any entrapped contamination. That can be both physical or biological contamination. The clean air can then be sent to bioreactors. Sometimes it takes purified oxygen to supply bioreactors, and that's typically called dissolved oxygen or DO. Instrument air. Now, that's a little different. That's the air that is used to power or actuate instruments such as a control valve, as well as instruments such as pressure or flow or temperature transmitters. Nitrogen, that is typically used to provide an inert blanket for long term storage of vessels and also to prevent an explosive atmosphere. Is usually a concern when fine powders are involved. Power usually comes from a steam turbine that is used to power everything from the lights in the main office to the pumps on the floor to the instrumentation themselves to the computer systems. You may not give it a second thought, but it's all these utilities working in tandem together that keeps the production floor humming without any interruption. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.